Today, we're talking about Qflee, which pitches itself as a smart solution to queues. And let's be honest, waiting in line, it's a universal frustration, right? So we're going to dive into how this company claims they've got it figured out.
But first, let me ask you something. Just stop and think about it for a second. How much of your life have you actually spent just waiting in a line? At the doctor's office, your favorite restaurant, the bank? All those little waits, they just stack up, don't they? It's a shocking amount of time when you really add it all up.
And that's the real problem, isn't it? It's not even just the waiting itself. It's the uncertainty. It's not knowing how long it's going to be. You're just stuck there, getting more and more frustrated, feeling your valuable time you will never get back, just ticking away. It's a total headache, and honestly, who needs that?
So, what if you could actually get that time back? Well, that's exactly where Qflee comes in. They're offering what they call effortless and efficient queue management. So let's break down what that really means, starting with how it works for you, the customer.
Okay, so this whole section is about how it works for you. If you're the one who's sick and tired of waiting, how does this actually help? Well, it all starts with just finding the business you need. So step one is super simple. You just pop open the app and find a business. You can browse through popular categories like hospitals, for example. Or if you need to find something in a different part of town, no problem. You just select your city and boom, you can see all the available options right there. All right, step two, joining the queue. And you've got options, which is awesome. You can get your spot in line right from your couch, from the comfort of home. Or if you're already there, you just scan a QR code. It's all about flexibility. The whole point is to get rid of that annoying, physical, how long is this going to take kind of wait. Okay, but this is the real game changer, the heart of the whole experience. You can track your live queue status in real time. Think about that. That one feature completely flips the script. Waiting is no longer this passive, frustrating thing you just have to suffer through. Suddenly, it's something you can actually control. So what does live status really mean? It means you get your own little dashboard. You can see your queue number, you get an estimated waiting time so you're not in the dark, and you can see your status update live. And hey, if something comes up and you can't make it, you can just cancel right from the app. It's a simple idea, but the impact is huge. It puts you back in charge of your own time.
So that's what it's like from the customer side. Pretty cool, right? But a system like this is a two-way street. It only works if businesses are actually on the platform. So let's flip the coin and take a look at how a service provider joins the Qflee ecosystem.
For businesses, it all kicks off with a really straightforward onboarding process. The goal is simple. Get local services, your doctor's office, that new cafe, you name it, onto the platform so that customers can actually find them and connect.
And to show you what that looks like, here's a perfect example. This is the onboarding information for a Dr. Sumit Salve in Mumbai. You can see the kind of details they need, the vendor's name, what kind of business they are, in this case hospital, the city, and the business name. It's just a basic form, but it's everything needed to get them set up in the system.
Now, once a business is all signed up, they get their own tool, a dedicated app just for them. You can think of it as their command center. This is how they manage everyone in the queue, push out those real-time updates on wait times, and basically run their side of the whole operation nice and smooth. So, when you put both sides together, that easy-to-use app for customers and the powerful tools for businesses, what you're supposed to get is this seamless, efficient system. It's really built to be a win-win for everyone involved. And this slide lays it all out perfectly. It's the ultimate before and after. On the left, you've got the old way. Uncertainty, long waits, just frustration all around. Then on the right, you've got the Qflee way. Real-time status, booking from home, and a much smoother experience for everybody. It's a pretty stark difference when you see it side by side like this.
And really, this all comes back to their core mission, streamlining your day, protecting your time. You see, the goal here isn't just about making lines move a bit faster. It's bigger than that. It's about fundamentally changing how we think about and protect our own time.
All right, so let's wrap up by talking about what it takes to partner up. For this whole network to actually work and grow, it has to be super easy for businesses to get on board. So let's look at exactly how they do that.
So when Qflee talks to a business, they don't just pitch them some software. They ask a pretty simple question. Ready to offer your customers a smarter way to wait? See what they did there? It's not about the tech. It's about upgrading the entire customer experience. It's a really smart approach. And getting on board is designed to be as simple as possible. Just 3 steps. 1, you visit their website. 2, you fill out the Partner With Us form.
And 3, someone from Qflee actually reaches out to you personally. They've lowered the barrier to entry to make it easy for any interested business to join.
And so that brings us right back to where we started, the value of our time. I'll just leave you with this final thought.